The Lalbagh Flower Show, Bengaluru, held in celebration of Independence Day 2024. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah inaugurated the show on August 8, running until August 19. This year's theme is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a tribute to the visionary, honoring the life and legacy of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the principal architect of Indian Constitution and a champion of social justice, honored as Universal Scholar and Bharat Ratna. In this video, we take you on a visual tour of the breathtaking floral displays dedicated to Dr. Ambedkar. Explore the intricately designed flower arrangements that depict key moments from his life, his contribution to the nation, and the ideas he stood for: social equality, education, and empowerment for all. Highlights include a stunning floral portrait of Dr. Ambedkar, crafted with thousands of flowers, theme exhibits showcasing the values of liberty, equality, and fraternity, educational panels that provide insight into Dr. Ambedkar's work and its relevance today, creative interpretations of Dr. Ambedkar's vision for India illustrated through vibrant floral installations. The flower show is designed to be waste free, with the horticulture department collaborating with organizations to significantly reduce litter and plastic waste. Show also features thematic displays and video screenings on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's life. In an innovative touch, organizers install screens throughout the garden to display videos showcasing Ambedkar's milestones and impactful speeches. This year, Flower Show attracted a record-breaking 210,000 visitors on Thursday, generating a remarkable revenue of 92.5 lakh. So, whether you are a flower enthusiast, a history buff, or someone who admires Dr. Ambedkar's legacy, this video is for you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.